up YouTubers? CarJunkeez in the house. Just a dead quick one, this one, on our Leyland 272 tractor, what we've had for years. There she is there. Just asking if anyone's got a bucket for one. Ours is well knackered, been patching it up for years and that. I'll show it you in a minute. But yeah, we use it all the time, this. Proper little work bus, so yeah, we're a bit stuck without it. So yeah, there she is, old Leyland 272. Brakes aren't working on it neither, we've got to fix them as well. We've got an handbrake which we use is just for one wheel, so proper dodgy, but you know, still alright, we don't need brakes anyway. So yeah, has anyone got a front bucket for one? I'll show you that with the measurements, because they have like big slots in them, so a bit of a unique bucket for him. So yeah, if you have, give us a shout in the comments, innit? Well, this is the bucket what we're repairing. So it's all strapped up at the minute and chopped up. It's had some use, this bucket, proper worn thin there. But we've been carrying loads of heavy loads in it, so it's all buckled it and everything, so we've got to strap it, get some plates on it and weld it. My dad's deaf now because he's been knocking it and banging it and everything. So what's that between them two? So on the inside 43 and a quarter, and then 47 and 3/4. So that's what we need. They're the measurements for the slots. So if you've got one of them, give me a shout. Proper rare. We need it because we use it all the time. Alright, that's strapped up, isn't it? Well, bit of welding to do on it. This is the 262 what we've got. We use this one for towing. Looks a bit knackered, but this had the loader on at first, didn't it? This. Yeah. So we took it off, put it on the 272. So we use this one with trailer now. Tipper. Works though. Old school Leylands, can't beat them. Belter. Yeah, that's what we had the engine out. We had the engine out of that one for spares and put it in this. Yeah. And we got like loads of spares on the trailer there. This is what we've been using. This is our standby. A 70s Kubota. This does some hard work, this thing, telling you. It's a right good piece of machinery, this. Just had to repair it recently. These pipes burst, so quick repair job. But yeah, right good bit of machinery that. Don't look it, but it's a proper work bus that. So that's our standby. Proper rough and ready. Look at that, belting. And the shed for it, proper made to measure. Quick clearance on that, mate. Got to be less than 10 mil, that, ain't it? Hey! Got no food for you today, mate. I'll have to get you some later, innit? Hey? Lasty. Check our old Nissan out as well. I think it's a G50 or something, 5-tonner. Proper old school that. Still works, but we've got some pretty major issues with the drives, haven't we? We have to keep releasing it because the pressure keeps building up, so we have to keep draining it. We've had one rebuilt, but they didn't do a very good job of it. So
but it keeps moving.
Keeps moving, doesn't it? Just about. We've done quite a lot of work with it though. She's a belter, isn't she? Check the exhaust out. Look at that. Hey, that's proper old school, that number, isn't it? Belting. So, got all the old crap here. It's still going. What, rolling forward? Right, you just hold some pressure on it. Don't hit me. Oh, it is. Did it go down now? It didn't it?
Yeah.
Just starting to rip it there though, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's gone down though.
Yeah, smooth.
Yeah.
that one, just can you
Got
go
that out? Yeah.
Just sort of straighten it a bit, push it down. I'll do.
One more.
Yeah.
Trusty sledgehammer. Bit of grinding and welding, plating up and that. Weld the rust up. Well, there she is, all codged up. Should last a little bit longer, but we still need one, if anyone's got one. Can't be codging this up all the time. So thin now, that, and corroded. So just done a bit more welding underneath. May as well have 2 seams in it. That's it, all patched up. Proper codged up that. There she is, codged to the max.